Shut up, Gavin.
Triazo on a beat, bitch.
Don't go, baby, don't you leave. I need you and you need me. How the fuck did I not see that shawty wasn't meant for me? Don't go, baby, don't you leave.
Hi, I'm Peace Control Kyle. I have 10k PR, 1k earned, 2k more earned from wagers, and my Twitch is Kyle FM.
Dude, stop, let me go. My friend here, Justin, he's already taken, and he's cracked at Fortnite, my guy.
What did he say? It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up. NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
She got a pair of bills. She got an attitude on God, that's why she taking pills. She got her OnlyFans. Don't judge when you a fan. Designer on demand. Life's hard without a plan. Hills, she in LA. If you got drugs,
hey yo, what the
she
fuck?
Up in the safe. She wanna know where she can stay. Everything she wanted.
What? Do me a favor. Shut the fuck up.
I've been feeling let down, letting myself. Now you see me playing, so I help. I try to keep my head out of this cell. I can hear what you're saying, just know well. Cause in my head, it's all just words that don't make sense, but they still hurt. I'm playing dead now, how does it work? I need you to go, cause you make it work. I don't ever wanna fall in love again, cause it hurts too much and I can't forget. Sometimes getting high makes it better, but in the end, it doesn't really matter. Break heart, break bones, I love to hate you and I'm alone, yeah. Hate is my fault, but how could I have ever known? I hate myself.